Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Easy here. So, this has been heavy on my mind for a minute. So, I've been wanting to remove that monitor right there, as you can see right there. I've been wanting to move this monitor to around right here. I've been using this side right here just to, like, do simple videos and stuff. But what I really want to do is move that monitor to right here and move that and bring that over there where this monitor is. The only thing is I got a lot of cords and stuff back there to hide a lot of my stuff. What I want to do is, y'all see that over there, my Legion Go 2. I got that set up as a 3 monitor setup. Then I got my switch 2 right here. Then my controllers, my microphone. Then I got my new Sony ZV-E Mark 10 up there for that. Then I have this right here for this camera that I'm using right now to do shots like that. That's how you normally see when I do my unboxings. I don't normally do that. I don't think I'm going to keep this camera right there, or I may just use this camera right there and use this right here for my live streams, because I do use this camera for live streams. When I am using my PC, I do use this, but what I want to do is I want to use this camera right here for my live streams, and instead of using this for my videos. Simple fact is that I brought this camera basically for like unboxings and videos, but I got my DJI Pocket 3 that I'm using right now, and I want to be able to, I mean, it's still good for over-the-top recordings like this, as you can see right here. It's just I like to be able to zoom in when I need to. I can do it with the DJI, but when I zoom in, I lose quality. But this is what I was saying. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff hitting back there. It's just I want to be able to take that camera right there, and put it right here next to the monitor. I am going to be purchasing this. Hold on a second. I'm going to purchase this right here and put that either right there or right there, or down here, and put this over there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but the whole simple fact is that I don't stream really not much. When I do stream, I don't need this extra monitor. I only use this monitor just to put my videos and stuff on there for YouTube, so I can actually see the stream, what's going on like that. When I am streaming, I normally put the monitor right there, OBS right there to do my streams, and I just use this part right here for the chat. And to be honest, I don't even use the chat on OBS chat thing. I just don't use it. I normally just open up the YouTube app, put it up right there, and I have YouTube running on that side of the screen when I'm streaming, which also uses up resources. Or what I'll do is I'll put it towards my MacBook Pro right here and have the chat right there to see what's going on. The thing is, I just want to move a lot of this stuff. I want to get a lot of things out of the way. It's just too cluttered up on here. I barely got any room to do anything, and I just want to move a lot of stuff out of the way. Since I brought this new, not the PC, but this case, I just been using this. As you can see, I got this set up like that, so I can basically run everything like this. I can put it like this and throw my chat right there. It makes it a lot easier. I can open up my stuff right here, my Spotify, everything like that. Run everything right here. So like literally, I can just grab this. Let me see. Can I bring it over there? No, I cannot. Yeah, it won't let me bring it over there for some reason. Can I bring this over there? Let me see. Can I bring this? No, it won't let me bring it over there. I don't know how I did it before, but I was able to bring a couple of things over to that window before, because it is considered as an extra window. Like you see, my mouse is right here, so I can drag and stuff like that, as you can see. Extra stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I want to do that. I want to probably do it tonight. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. It's just my OCD is like kicking my butt right now, telling me to like do it right now. So I want to do it because I'm getting agitated with it. I just want to move stuff around. I still got my PC down there, as you can see right there. So yeah, I just got to move a lot of stuff around. I can't wait until tomorrow. My OCD is not letting me wait. I got to do this thing right now. At least move this partially out the way, get it on top of my thing. And I did order a couple of things. So I have a fan coming for my camera. And I do have a arm coming in. So yeah, I just want to at least get the monitor down and just move a lot of the cords and stuff around, because as you can see, I got that clutter fest of wires over there. I just want to get it out the way. My LEDs, I just want to move a lot of stuff out this way and just clean up a lot of things. So I'm actually going to start doing that right now. And I guess I might play some Stellar Blade and go to bed. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces one. If I feel like I want to record, I'll come back to you guys and just throw it in this video and show you how I set it up. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace. Okay, guys, so this is the finished outcome right here. This is basically what it looks like. I know it's probably a little bit darker in here. That's because I turned down the brightness on my camera, just so you guys can see a little bit better. So this is what it looks like. Right there. Got that set up right here. Now I'm able to see everything was going on. You can see I got the iPad right here set up with the camera set up right here. Let me just turn this light on real fast so y'all can see a little bit better. So this is the setup right there. Moved everything over right here. Move that camera, put the camera right here. iPad right there, regular MacBook Pro right there with touch bar. Everything's still the same. Now when I want a game right here, I can play the PS5 right here or the Xbox right here. Connected directly, and PC game right here. Lenovo Legion Go 2. Nintendo Switch 2 right there. Can still do my over-the-top recordings. Still got the triple monitor set up, and I'm able to do everything right here. So a lot of times I don't want to play my PS5 on here. I could just jump to this one right here and play it on the curved one like that. I got some packages that's coming tomorrow for this monitor and for this camera, just then you guys see. So the good thing is when I want to record like this, just bring the mic right here, and I can still record the mic off from right here. I can still record right there. And if I want to use the Lenovo Legion Go 2, I can still record using the same microphone for all three things. So that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.